Hello everyone, please make sure you subscribe, like, share and comment, and why not become a member. I thought of bringing back some of the old legacy utilities that may be found on some of the legacy systems, including telnet, RSH and whatnot, on one of the recent macOS version, relatively recent. Some of the older versions also may not have these utilities, so you may need to install them or install this piece of software that I'm gonna show you. Depending on the version, some of the versions that are older than the one that I'm using here, you may not be able to install the way I'm gonna install. The first way to install is using Homebrew. You need to make sure that Homebrew is installed on your system. Just go to brew.sh, copy a command that you find there, paste it into your terminal and run it. Later you will be given a command that you add to your Z profile. To prove that I don't have those utilities in the terminal, here if I run rsh for instance, I get command not found. If I run telnet, it's the same. The first method to install them is running this command, brew install inetutils, like this, enter. The installation from Homebrew is done. If we try to run for instance telnet, we get it running as you can see. If we try to run RSH, it says host not specified instead of command not found, which proves that it is installed. Let's remove it and let me show you the other way to install this piece of software, which may be the way for you on older versions, despite here having a warning that says that this version of macOS is no longer supported for Homebrew. So if you try to run this command, try to install using Homebrew, it may complain to you and fail. So you may need to run the command that I'm gonna show you using macports. Macports installation is very easy. There is a .pkg file that you install. You double click it, you press next many times. You may need to input your password and you'll get it working on your system. It has this package with the same name, I guess. Let's see. inetutils, sudo port install inetutils to install this package. Enter. Maybe before that I need to prove that telnet no longer exists here, like this, for instance, among the other utilities. Let's run the command again to install, like this. Enter. Enter. Here it says that there is a G prefix, since these are GNU utilities. Instead of typing telnet like this, you must type G telnet to run telnet, for instance. Let's see RSH, grsh. You can see that we got it. rlogin. You can see also that we got it. If we run rlogin, command not found. There is another way, which is compiling inetutils from source. Last time I tried to install this package on another version of macOS. I wasn't able to get rlogin, RSH, among others, but here I got them, probably due to this reason maybe, or something. It says install an inetutils as non-root will fail to install gping, grlogin, grcp, these ones, grtraceroute, and here I got them working. I thought of compiling from source, but I guess these two methods compile them from source on older versions of macOS. I'm signing out, and cheers.